Hey guys, so this was the edge elastic from last week and problem number one. And it might not have been your problem number one, but this is how my problem number one started. First it says give the slope, and you have to give the slope as a fraction. So it's going down. Remember, we read graphs from left to right. So it's going down, and I need to pick 2 points that are on the line and on the graph. And so you may want to increase your view, and it could be Control Plus, or it could be zooming in, however it is on your Chromebook or tablet or computer or phone. So in this case, I can see here that there is a point here, and then going down, 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 there's another one here. So if I start and I go here, down 1, and then right 1, 2. So my slope is down 1, so -1/2. Oh, that's in the wrong box. -1/2. There we go. And then the y-intercept. The y-intercept is, where does it hit on the y-axis? Well, here's my origin, 0, 0, and my y-axis, it hits at 6. So it hits at 6. There we go. So turn in. And zoom back out. So the slope is a fraction, is -1/2, and the y-intercept is 6. For this one, same exact thing. I'm looking for the slope as a fraction and the y-intercept. My y-intercept is at 0, so I can just quickly just pop that answer in. And then from here, I'm looking from where does it go on the corners of the grid, but also on the line. So I know 0, 0 is a point, and I can just keep going. Ooh, it's here. Okay, so that means it's going to go from here to here. It's got to go up 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my slope is 3/5. All right. Next, ooh, this one I might actually have to, well, no, I'll say maybe zoom out, but kind of like how big the graph is. So this is 0, this is -5, this is -10. So my y-intercept is the number along the y-axis, and in this case, it's going to be -5, -6, -7. It's at -7. Now for the slope. I can actually use the same exact point and then go find another one that's on the green line and on the corners of the grid. So if I follow this along, no, 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 yes. All right, so I'm going to use that point and this point. So I'm going to go from here and go up 1, 2, 3, 4, up 4 over 1. So it's 4 over 1. And typically we would write that just as a number 4, but the directions say to write it as a graph. And it's a good idea just to get into the habit of remembering that slope is how a line is moving on a graph. And so how much is it moving up or down and to the right? Next. So this one, I can say that my y-intercept is here. It's a little bit thicker of a line, but it's going to be at 9. My slope numbers. My y is 9. My slope, I can pick any point. So like I can pick this point here and then follow it down. Here, this will work. All right, so I'm going to go down. I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 1. So it's going to be -5 over 1. Again, do I have to put the over 1? Typically, no, but because it specifically asks for a fraction, then the answer is yes, you have to. Okay, one more of these. My y-intercept 5, 6, 7, 8. I sound like a dance teacher. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so the y-intercept is 8. And then I need to find the slope. This is going up because remember we read left to right and it's going up. I could pick any point back here that works if I wanted to, like, well, actually none of those points back there work. So I guess I'm gonna stick with this one. So stick with this one and then find another one that's, whoa, intense. Here, this point right here works. So I'm gonna use this one, I'm gonna use this one. So I'm going to use this to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 over 1, 2, 3. So it's going to be 10 over 3. Not the nicest of numbers, but so what? We got this. Moving along. Okay, match the graph to the solution type. So for this one, I actually am going to minimize, like zoom out. I can kind of see all three graphs that I'm working with. So my options are one solution, all solution, or no solution. So one solution is where they come together and they make a point. Well, that's this one. All solution or infinite solution, that's when it's just, it looks like one line. There's technically two lines there, but because they're exactly the same, it's like they're laying right on top of each other. I guess the best way for me to think about it is like a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. It's the same sandwich, but you have two pieces of bread just right on top of each other. So same sandwich, so same line, just two pieces of bread or peanut butter and jelly right on top of each other. Which means that this one also has to be no, but let's just pretend that we weren't sure. I do know that this the solution is no, because these will never meet each other. They're parallel lines. They're never going to cross. Yay. Stop here.